Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find options, how to turn on gestures for a floating window in our Smart Sidebar, and how to revert back to buttons. So first we need to go to settings. Then in settings we're looking for accessibility and convenience menu. And here we need to go to the floating window. And we have the explanation at the top with pictures, with moving pictures even. Pretty handy. And here we have window control. So by default we have gestures enabled, but we can turn on buttons. So okay, and now we have buttons, and we can go back to the gestures anytime using the same method. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.